Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to resize table, row and column in Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Then we take a table. Now we resize table, row and column. Click the table and now you can see here show icon. Now we drag on our mouse left and right. Now we resize the column line or you resize the row. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.